How to create multiple YouTube channels using one email address. So right now I'm on the YouTube channel page of my main YouTube channel, but I want to create a new channel called Direct Tech, aka the one you're watching right now, and this is how you do it. So if I click my profile picture, then switch account, you'll be able to see all the channels I have. Currently I have 4, one of them I'm blurring out because no one really knows about it. Anyways, so I have 4 channels all under the same email address, and this is how you add another one. Go to View All Channels, and then click Create a Channel. I'll give it a name, which is Direct Tech. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Check that and click Create. And I'm on this page that says this channel does not exist, but if I click my profile picture, go to switch account, as you can see, here is Direct Tech, click on it, and here we are. The channel is blank because it is a newly created channel, and that is how you create multiple channels under one email address.